Alright guys, so finally I got my headphones here. I wanted to get the open back badly in Vietnam, but there is no more open back version of these headphones, only left a closed back in Vietnam. So it seems that the open back version of this headphone is highly sought after, so I had to order it from overseas. So here it is, package has arrived, so let's open this. This is the EPOS H6PRO by Sennheiser. Just want to make sure that it's brand new. Yup, the seal is not broken yet. Nice. Let's open the second seal. Nice. I do not have warranty because I buy it from overseas, but I'm fine with it. Wow. Nice. Unfortunately, Sennheiser has decided to stop producing, so I got the leftover stock. This box is still in very good condition. I was expecting it to be crumpled, but it looks like it's still brand new. There is no battery for this. That's good. That's what I want. This sponge is very soft. Hard and soft at the same time. See how is this? Whoa. Okay, this is my first time holding it. It feels very solid. These ear cups are huge, man. Let me check the smell. Let me check the smell of this. Yeah, I can smell the chemical smell. It's very strong plasticky chemical smell. Okay, let's take out the mic. Okay, the mic is very firmly attached. It doesn't really drop out easily. The power of audio. This is where all the wire is. Let's see what is inside. 3.5 to 2.5 mm mic. Okay, so this is the splitter for your mic and headphones to the DualSense or the equipment that you're using, like PC. Okay, so manual. And the manual again. I will check out the manual later. Okay, this one is the magnetic covers. So this is just a snap-on. It's magnetic as well. Yeah, very easy if you don't want to use the mic. Now another manual. So that's all. It's pretty simple. I'll check out the sound and share with you guys. Thanks for watching.